On this path, one thing is for sure, you will move on with success in your hand. You will always get success. Only the best will happen to you. This is what you should keep in your mind. Huh? So life is bliss. Life is happiness. This we must spread to everybody around us. See, we convey more through our vibrations. With Kriya, with Pranayama meditation, what happens? Our vibrations become very positive. And the positive vibrations brings the difference, makes the difference, not just in your life, but in the life of other people around you as well. Yeah. So, very good. I'm sure you all have enjoyed these few days. You write to me, you write to your teachers about your experiences. And anytime, anything is you need, any concerns you have or any questions you have, you must contact your teachers. They will be able to help you. Huh? They can help you in whatever manner possible. So, welcome to this big family of Art of Living. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. We are one world family. Now you have members or family members all over the world. Whether you go to Argentina or to Mongolia or in Canada, everywhere there are people who would welcome you, would see that you are one of those few people who know how to live life happily and who have good intention in the heart to spread happiness. Isn't it? Yeah? Don't you all want to spread happiness? You all. See, when you see a nice movie, you just don't sit back at home. What do? You take your phone and call your friends. See, I saw a nice movie. You also see like that, right? Like that, when you have good experience, we want to share our good, positive news, good experience with people around. And see, one person not knowing these basic principles can create problem for 100 people around him or her. So if one person is in wisdom, is in knowledge, it makes a difference in 100 people's life. So you are responsible for your own happiness. I wish each one of you be a light. Lord Buddha said, Appa Dipo Bhava, you be light unto yourself. Like that, you be the light to people around you. Yeah. Jesus Christ said, the kingdom of heaven is within you. When his disciple asked, which side of God you will be sitting? And he said, the kingdom of heaven is within you. Unless you become like a child, you cannot get into the kingdom of heaven. And this is what this knowledge, the Kriya meditation, makes you to become like a child again. Non-judgmental. And keep smiling. Don't forget to smile. Okay? There are more knowledge. There's plenty of wisdom here. And you all must sometime, within 3 months, 4 months, you must do an advanced course. Then you will understand so much more about your own emotions, your chakras. Our body has 7 chakras, and the 7 chakras have different abilities. We have different emotions connected with them. Right? Many times we desire and things don't happen. Why? Because we don't know about the mechanics of how things happen. So when we understand our emotions, our consciousness, then a new doorway opens to us. Your desires get fulfilled. Your abilities come, many skills start coming out of you, because each one of you is such a treasure of skills, treasure house of skills. You have so many talents. You will see when you do silence program, advanced course, advanced meditation, all these talents come out of. Yeah. And your vibration becomes so positive. Don't you see this happening? Hmm? You'll see, especially your teachers, many of the teachers, to be very shy. They would have told you their own experience. How now today they all blossomed and they have become, source of joy to so many people. Yeah? I'm sure you all would want to be a source of joy. Don't you want to be? Yes? Yes? Huh? In this pandemic time, people are all sitting in their homes and many are getting upset, angry, depressed. They don't know what to do. We should tell them, hey, come just do Kriya, do meditation, learn Kriya.